Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And you need to scroll down, so I have it at the middle, you may have it at the bottom or at the beginning, it depends of Android phone. And also this name depends of Android phone, so I have stock Android and it calls allow access to contacts and call history. On your phone it may be call sharing or contact sharing or something with call or something with sharing. Now to enable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider, if you want to, of course, if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!